Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Express Scribe installed, license or free mode selected, and your foot pedal connected. Once done, set or verify hotkeys so you can play rewind and slow audio without using the mouse. This saves time. Now import the file, drag MP3 or WAV into the playlist or choose Load Files. Make sure the audio sample rate matches the file. If not, convert or adjust settings so playback speed and pitch remain accurate before you begin transcribing. Next, you configure detailed controls so transcription becomes fluid. Adjust playback speed and pitch to a level where words stay clear, slower speeds for heavy accents or technical content. Map your foot pedal buttons or tightly assign keyboard hotkeys for play/pause, rewind to 5 seconds, and fast forward. This keeps hands on the keyboard. Enable timestamps and auto loop for difficult segments, and make sure file position memory is on. This lets you stop and resume without losing place. Finally, you transcribe using a steady pause-rewind rhythm. Type a phrase, pause, rewind 1 or 2 seconds, then continue, inserting timestamps and speaker labels as needed. Once complete, export to TXT, DOC, or send to cloud storage and save a backup immediately. If you encounter sync or playback glitches, check the audio sample rate, update or reinstall audio drivers, and convert the file to a standard WAV or MP3. This usually resolves timing and pitch problems quickly, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.